The Democrats are ruined after Trump aims his secret weapon right at them despite all the commotion and bad press President Trump is getting now, surrounding the fake news about his statements about the violence in Charlottesville. He continues to kick the liberals' collective butts. The DNC is floundering and dying, unable to fundraise enough to support their candidates in the upcoming midterm elections. But still, vote. Compare that to what Trump has done, leading the charge to raise $75 million in the first 6 months of 2017. Courtesy of News Everyday, via YouTube.com. That's right, patriots. The DNC, despite all the crazy liberal protesters gathering against Trump, has only managed to raise $38.2 million. Yay, it's a lot. But it's just a tad over half of what Trump has helped raise for the Republicans. One Democratic donor even acknowledged, we really should be kicking their asses. And it shouldn't even be close, considering all hell is breaking loose on their side. Ain't that the truth? I think it's largely because the Democrats have no leader. Instead of rallying around a strong leader who can energize their party, they continue their failed fight of hate and denigration of Trump. It's one reason why Hillary failed. Because instead of energizing her party around her, she tried to energize America against him. And it failed. And it continues to fail. If you think Trump will lead us to victory again in 2918, comment "We will win in 2018" and share, telling all your friends to #vote2018. H/T The Hill.